How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Tipalti account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, but there are a couple of things that we need to do first and get out of the way before we're able to create an email for Tipalti. Now, the first thing that we need to get in order is we need to have a Dante account or a CopyPress CMS account. And where you guys need to go is this page here, app.copypresscms.com. Now, and the reason for this is because CopyPress and Tipalti have actually partnered up, and this is pretty much the only way that you can create an email on Tipalti. So, once you guys are here, you want to click on the login page. You want to click on sign up as a contractor, and basically sign up for an account here, right? So you want to follow the on-screen instructions, enter your details and whatnot, and you should be good to go. Now, the next thing that you need to do is once you have your account going, is you need to log into your CopyPress account or your Dante account, as you guys can see here. So once you've logged in, you want to click on My Account, as you can see, this one right here, and then you want to click on Contractor, like so. And when you do, when you select the contractor role, you should have an option to edit, right? So when you edit it, here's where you actually get to input your Tipalti email. So it looks like this, as you can see. So once you have that going, basically change your payment method to Tipalti, like so, and then click on create a Tipalti account. So this window will actually appear once you set the preferred payment method to Tipalti. So this one right here. So you basically just want to follow the on-screen instructions, enter your email and whatnot, your name, address, phone number, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, there you guys have it. That's how you can create a Tipalti account using CopyPress. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.